It was a very weird market yesterday. We're up a lot because I managed to catch a lot of these shorts. In the signals group, I talked about some of the setups. The weird thing was yesterday, at the beginning of the day, it really looked like there was a chance for a pump because of the Asia session pump on Monday. But no, there was just liquidation for people, for whales to get out. There was a lot of market manipulation we saw. We'll talk about a lot of interesting things when it comes to the Bitcoin price for the 22nd of February 2022. This will be a price prediction. Keep in mind, I'm no financial advice, just a random dude on the internet. In general, you want to do your own price analysis as well. Like the video, slap the like button for the YouTube algorithm, or I will slap you subscribe because this video, I need 50k subscribers because my enemies are coming and my enemies told me I need to get 50k subscribers. If I don't get 50k subscribers, it might be the end for me. It might just be over. Who knows? Also, I'm sponsored by MEXC Exchange. If you want to buy altcoins, this is the place when you want to check out. And if you want to see a lot of signals per day, we caught all these dip. Let me just show you the signals group yesterday. We caught the whole dip. The whole dip. Display. Let me just Telegram. Here it is. Look at this. We caught the whole thing. Very good trades yesterday. We're not a lot of people in the signals group. Yeah, very good trades. This one I went to sleep. Doge short again. Look at this. Doge short again. Profit was a quick scalp. Was a quick. It can reverse. Take profit. Doge short. Look at this. Testing the support. We crashed below it. Profit. Take profit. Another profitable trade. We shorted a lot. And we adjust based on market conditions for the day because things move a lot. For today, right now, it's not looking great. I gotta be super honest. It's not looking great. The whole chart is not looking great. Especially if I can imagine if I can actually switch to my trading view. Sometimes trading view bugs out. Let me just do this real quick. Switching to Telegram and back to trading view. And it's not easy for it to work, I guess. Okay, so what we'll do is I'll actually go on TradingView from a desktop, from the browser, and I'll show you a few interesting things that are happening with the chart right now. Again, if you haven't slapped the like button, just please do that right now. It will really help out the channel in so many ways. I love how OBS just decides sometimes, I'm just not gonna work today, not gonna work properly. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. And then you gotta do all kinds of stuff to make it to work. For example, right now, what I can do to get it to work is actually switch to Chrome. And then I'll add TradingView on top. Here it is. Okay, so there's a few things that you should be aware of. First, we are definitely trying to go up right now. We are trying to go up. I'm short right now, but we are trying to go up on the 5-minute time frame. You can see the all the rejection though above the Ichimoku cloud on the 5-minute time frame. I'm really good at trading the 5-minute, by the way, but there is a potential bounce from here because we are very exhausted at the rate we are at right now. We're very exhausted. Let me switch to that's why I like the app. It's easier to switch in between charts. Here's the second chart I want to show you right here. And we'll use the 5-minute time frame first. First of all, since I have a Doge short, I have got a bunch of alerts set up. Here's what's going on. Every time we have any correction just like this, it's basically an entry for shorts. I managed to enter a bunch of shorts. Forgot where, probably around here. Wasn't at the top. I thought we might break out. I was actually, I longed here on Doge, closed here very quickly because we got rejected and I'm waiting for another short right now. I was short on a bunch of stuff and this pump basically closed my short. Entered long, saw the rejection, that was stop loss hunt. And now you can see I was just dumping. We had a few entries for shorts from Woman2 slash Market Cipher and all these indicators showing you the red growths on the 5-minute time frame. We definitely have some divergence. We have a lot of market sell orders on the 5-minute time frame, and it's looking like we might just might break the support. Maybe when you're watching the video, we might have broken the support. I'm waiting for it. Got a big bet on the short side again, and in general, we are in a downtrend. You can see that right now. We are in a downtrend. Look at this. You have a sell signal down. So this, by the way, is super trend, but you don't need it. You can just use Woman2 chart. I've got a clean chart right here, and it's basically the same thing. We're just gonna be crashing from this moment. It seems that's what it seems like. For the day, we're red on everything. I use BUSD pairs for the lower fees on Binance for market orders. Right now, 0.1% fees. That's 7 times cheaper than Bybit. If you're interested for market orders, because normally you would execute market orders, especially if you're scalping and getting stopped out and hitting take profits and stuff like that. I try to enter in with limits. I try to close with limit orders, especially when you have a big size. You can just open one market order for your whole position. It won't let you. So yeah, let me know your thoughts. I believe we'll be going down for the day on Bitcoin. My price prediction, because some of you guys are watching from a phone, it told me you need a price. A price I'm looking for is 36,367. I want to see how we react to it. This is the support. If we break it, we can go down by $1,000, by $500, 1, 2, 3, 5%, even down to 34K. That's very doable. That's like a 7% drop. That's very, very doable. This is something we can expect for the day, because everything is looking really bearish. Look at this. So yeah, this one I want to share right now. See you next video. Bye.